Oh no, just a friend of mine has a friend who breeds Jack Russells up around that area, and I was just wondering whether it was.
Is it her?
No, I don't think that was the name.
Marnie's like the secretary of the Jack Russell Club or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So she's right into it.
Yeah, the breed particularly, yeah. Barney's is really different. Maybe it's just because I'm used to Albie
I was going to say, used to that's like shaggy hair.
Yeah. Is Barney got any like greyhound or anything in him?
Any what?
Greyhound or sort of...
Nah.
With it? Barney's been very patient, I must say. He is, eh? Hey, Barney!
Hey!
He's had enough. He doesn't mind if they have a communal chew. Albie's too excited to be possessive over his... Their tails both are held sort of... Oh, Barney's isn't now, but... Albie's always goes at a bajillion miles an hour.
Oh, now you want the tummy rubs. Oh, you must have buried it. Can't see it. Because it was about that long.
Yeah.
No, there was that much of it left.
Really?
Yep.
From you or Albie?
From me.
Albie's kind of got that stare of, get out, this is my bone.
Don't.
Barney!
Barney, no.
Do you reckon Albie would actually be saying, here go, you eat that if he wanted to, he could take
Yeah, but then if you encourage that behaviour, then Barney's going to think he's dominant over Albie.